to our very first episode of Baking with Becky. And today we are cooking a viral outrage tweet. We've got our ingredients ready to go, and we are going to break down how people spread viral fake outrage. So stay tuned. First, we start with the most dangerous element. Now, you want to be careful because this is toxic and explosive, and it's called manufactured outrage. Now, this lets mostly conservatives refocus and try to reframe who their opposition is and what they want. Here's one viral example. You can see from that picture that this tweet, which is actually from a person who formerly worked with the Russian disinformation network, was targeted to make it seem like liberals hate white people, or beautiful blonde people, or beautiful blonde white people. That is the basis of this tweet. It is making it seem like they are anti-white. It was perfect clickbait. Everybody engaged with either outrage or support. There was even a pitch of, and this is optional, fake outrage in reverse. So, this is their main ingredient. This is the key that makes this explosive batch work. Next up are our straw man arguments. So these arguments try to frame a question as if anybody would possibly believe it, when in reality they don't. This is something that you will see a lot of people try to claim to play devil's advocate with, but are really promoting propaganda that's meant to cause divisiveness and drive clicks. Viral outrage depends on the perfect combination of racism, sexism, misogyny, homophobia, transphobia, xenophobia, in order to get this batch to be explosive and go viral. So you want to make sure that you're very generous with that. Of course, where would Twitter be without automation? So if your viral outrage video or meme or whatever it is you're trying to share isn't going viral just quite yet, add in some bots, trolls, and paid targeted harassment campaigns. These will ensure that one person running 50 different Twitter accounts will comment, share, post, and like all of your outrageous fake rage tweets. Another way of making sure that your viral whataboutism goes viral indeed is hashtag hijacking. This is quite similar to one of our other ingredients, breaking news. We call this globbing on. If something is already trending, or if an account is already very popular, by repeatedly and consistently commenting on those topics, trends, or persons, you can elevate yourself too, especially when you have 50 accounts doing it. Now, if you're thinking, why on earth would anyone do this? Well, there's a very good reason. It's because people get paid to do it on Twitter now. That's right, Twitter pays and incentivizes harassment and outrage. By paying people with blue checks, they get to monetize on their hatred. Now that we're all done and our ingredients are mixed and it doesn't create exact C4, let's put it in our Twitter oven and see what comes out. This recipe always works best if you've been taking your daily Twitter pills. Being exposed to a long-term trend of disinformation and hate will make you more susceptible and more likely to comment, share, or like a tweet that is fake outrage.